Hello, I'm Dr. Mo Anderson. I'm a healthcare provider and I am an advocate for health equity and wellness. I've done a TEDx talk on what dentistry teaches us about curbing racism because people are very interested in how this contagious social cancer began, how it has impacted us, and importantly, what we can do about it. We have a panel about racism, cancer culture, the systems and capitalism that are impacting our future, our community, our economy, how we got here, how these parts impact our behavior and values, and what are the outcomes that we can do collectively and individually to change the world we live in, make it more humane, and a better gift for our children. Joining me will be Dr. Silvia Dutchevici and J.D. Mass.
Thank you. I am Silvia Dutchevici. I am the president and founder of Critical Therapy Institute in New York City. Our focus is on issues related to power and power dynamics and how issues of race, class, and gender impact and interact with psychological ones. We are talking about racism, and we're going to approach the topic from different perspectives, meaning we're going to look at the macro level. My part is interpersonal level, which is how does racism impact and affect our mental health? Most of us are well-meaning. Most of us don't want to be racist, right? And we have these great values and these great ideas, and yet the way we show up in the world does not reflect those values because our values live in our hearts, not in our minds. How do we recognize what we actually believe in with a big belief versus what do we actually live, and how do we embody those beliefs and create a world where we could be more equitable, more caring, and collaborative towards each other?
And J.D. Mass.
Hi, I'm JD Mass, and I come from a psychological background, more organizational and cultural development from a psychology standpoint. We're going to dive into some of the traits of our culture, the level of competition and how that impacts race, how that formed racism, and how that continuous competition continues to harm us from being the best version of ourselves versus comparing ourselves to others and trying to compete in a zero-sum game. We have an understanding that there is a different way of approaching life, and that's going to impact our personal health as well as our communal health is going to be part of this discussion, and we're looking forward to it.
So we are coming from different perspectives and a common goal. We'd love to be part of South by Southwest Edu. Thank you.